Welcome, and for me is a ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the test mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. Now you're going to hold them till you see the ULEFONE logo, at which point you will let go only of the power key, while you will keep holding the volume down. There we go. As you can see from here we have several options, but what you want to do is basically using volume keys, scroll down to either auto test or manual test, depending on which one you want. Now you can only use volume down to navigate, so you'll have to cycle through this. As you can see, up doesn't actually go up. So you can go with auto test or manual test. Auto will basically run through all the tests, and that can be done and basically do it automatically, while manual allows you to basically pick and choose which one you want to go through, or well, kind of do it yourself. So volume keys, volume up, down, voila. And from here, let's see test passed, LCM test, show test image, so voila. So again, just simply select test passed or whatever, and you can go through all of them yourself. Now I'm kind of interested if I can leave this without actually... Looks like I'm kind of stuck. So what I'm going to do is to leave this mode without actually going through all the tests right here, as I'm going to simply try to hold power key. There we go. So it turned off, I believe. Yep, and it's automatically turning back on. Now in normal circumstances, once you finish it up, you can simply select the reboot option, which was at the bottom of the list. But because I didn't really want to go through all the tests, there's several of them, so yeah. So it was easier for me to hold the power key to force reboot the device. Okay, and as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.